Gerardo de Leon, born as Gerardo Ilagan on September 12, 1913 in Sampaloc, Manila, was a prominent figure in the Philippine film industry. Despite graduating as a doctor from the University of Santo Tomas, his passion lay in filmmaking. De Leon hailed from a family with deep roots in the Philippine film industry, belonged to the esteemed Ilagan clan, who are well known for their contribution to the Philippine film industry. His acting debut occurred in 1934 with the film Ang Bangal. Following that, he appeared in 8 more films before transitioning to directing. His first film as a direction was Bahay Kubo, 1939, starring Pretty Baleo, The Woman They Married. They got married in 1918 and had 2 children, Liberty and Maria P. However, De Leon's career took a significant turn during World War II. He produced a number of anti-American propaganda films in collaboration with copying Japanese forces. This controversial period in his life led to his arrest and near execution after the war. However, he was eventually pardoned due to evidence suggesting that his arrest assisted to the Filipino resistance.